Right, this is a how-to guide on how to clean your filter on your Beko Basic Range washing machine. Right, so locate your filter. You'll locate it at the bottom, actually behind this kick strip here. So what you want to do is grab this side first, pull towards you, then grab the other side, pull, and it should fall off. Right, so, right, what you then want to get is, what are these? A baking tray. Something that will actually fit quite nicely underneath. With your baking tray in place, what you want to now do is turn this anti-clockwise, slowly, first. And as you can see, this large baking tray has captured pretty much most of the water. However, there may be a drop or two underneath. So when you pull it away, you might just need a towel to clear up the rest of the water. Just put your finger in at the side. Just to check. No, nothing's there. Just visually inspect it for any grime. On this, there's none. Now you want to just check this, visually check it. There's no build-up hardly on this at all. It's very clean. That's the first time I've checked this machine. Clear. So that's just ready for going back in now. It's just dried around the, not even a drop of water is on the floor. Excellent design feature of this Beko is this the coin trap. Right, get a cloth, just wipe round the grooves, ready for putting this back in. Just push it in, rotate anti-clockwise until it stops. Finally, you want to put your kit plate back into place. So what you want to do, there's 3 lugs. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And at the bottom here, you've got 1, 2, 3 holes. So what you want to do is just angle it over those holes. It'll slip into place, and because of the shape of the lugs, it acts a bit like a hinge, and then just simply push up and push either side until it clicks into place, and that's it. All done. That is how to clean your filter on your Beko Basic Series washing machine. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful.